This is baby's new dress. See, she is also twirling and showing. ये सीख गई यार बहुत जल्दी. ये कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं जल्दी सीख गई मेरे से. Going on that slide is like a trap. Baby girl goes on it and doesn't come out of it. Doesn't want to go home now. Okay, this is weird. This is a crop top. I didn't realize when I was buying it. It's shorter than you think. The print is very beautiful. If you have a high waist jeans. Hiyo, Guruji, you have to order something from Blinkit. You forgot, dude. When you carry and go, you get exhausted. I get exhausted. I feel like घर पे ही बैठ लेते हैं. Hey everyone, what's up everyone? Welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Today we're going out. It's a Sunday special vlog today. I don't know where, maybe Sunday ritual of going to Agara Lake again. It's already 6 p.m. We start late from the house because with the baby, you have to carry a lot of things. And hats off to people who can get ready early. I mean, how do you guys do it? Let me know in the comments. I just can't do it. For a 6 p.m. plan, I am at home till 7 p.m. That's how is my state these days. We wanted to reach there at 5 and it's 6. We're still at home. Also, if you're wondering what's my outfit of the day, come, let me show you. This is baby's new dress. See, she is also twirling and showing. ये सीख गई यार बहुत जल्दी. गुरुजी, she is also twirling and showing, dude. ये कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं जल्दी सीख गई मेरे से. ये this is my new outfit. La 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 la. La 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 la. I got this dress from Meesho. Now you guys have to tell me what is the cost of this dress. Take a guess, and I'll let you know later because I also don't remember. I had been waiting for long time to wear this dress. Now I can, now I can finally wear it as I have waxed hands and legs now. Yeah. Surprisingly, we are in the shades of pink today. I'm in purple. She's pink, and he's also pink. Where is he? It's not pink, but okay. Hi, Amma. Finally, 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೊರಟೆವು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಈ ಮಗು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಹೋಗುದೇ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ಸ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಗ್, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, ಅದು ತಿಂಡಿ ಬಿಂಡಿ, ಬಾಟಲ್, ನೀರು ಬಾಟಲ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್, ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್, milk bottle and food and Cerelac and everything. When you carry and go, you get exhausted. I feel like घर पे ही बैठ लेते हैं. Let's sit at home. Who wants to go out? I want to upload a vlog of baby's Mundan ceremony. We did it in Dharmasthala. We got her head shaved. It's a long, funny story. I want to upload a vlog. Dharmasthala, the strict policy of no mobile phones. I did not shoot inside the temple. I shot a few clips, very few clips inside the Mudi Bhavana, Sri Mudi Bhavana. Now I'm scared. What if they put copyright strike? I can't risk it, bro. Thinking after 1 or 2 months, I'll on my channel, I'll upload that video because I built this YouTube channel brick by brick. It has taken a lot of effort to reach 4,000 subscribers, and I respect all of you. I thank all of you for supporting me. So that's the life of content creators, I can say. Yeah, we'll talk more about it. So content creation as a profession, let's talk about that. YouTube channel or Instagram, influencers, profession. It's a good topic because everybody is an influencer these days. Everybody with a mic and a phone starts a YouTube channel, and then whoever is successful, everybody gets tempted thinking that, oh, she's minting money. Oh, so many people think I make a lot of money. I make zero money out of YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Just let me tell you that my channel is not monetized on Instagram, Facebook, so I don't make any money out of it. And while I'm talking to you all this, let me show you where's my daughter. See what she has done. She has gone and fallen there, and now she can't come out. So that's why this music. खरी बसला वचू न्हू थंय बैस लायक जावका बैस थंयचे कसं करतस रे तू अय्यो गुरुजी you have to order something from Blinkit you forgot dude that is 1 kg patience for me I have zero बेटा तुम क्या कर रहे हो यार बेटा हैं
2,000 years later.
and we finally came to Agara Lake. She's finally sitting in her favorite jokali. Birds कैसा कौन था हेलो हेलो This is a public park and it's very crowded on Sunday. Come on Saturday, it'll be half this crowd. Going on that slide is like a trap. Baby girl goes on it and doesn't come out of it. Doesn't want to go home now. Purana, Jalarana, Vachana. Anna Pura Vachana, please Anna, Garavacha, Jalaraspale. Aha, baby girl is enjoying in her cycle, which is gifted by her mama, Giant Ganesh Kamath. She loves this cycle. The moment she sees that cycle, she wants to sit in it. She has a stroller and a cycle. So today she had a choice in which one she wants to sit. And she chose to sit in the cycle today. See, it's very attractive, no? Father daughter matching today. Her cycle was very attractive. Some other kid saw it and was saying that it wants to sit in it. And then they made their baby sit in the cycle. आता पुरोजल म्हणू आजा आजा के दरी के पूर दिसता and we came back home and for dinner I ordered Meghana biryanis, paneer biryani. Their biryani is very good and it's spicy though, but the biryani is very nice. I'll show you. This is paneer biryani. Quantity for 380 rupees. This was around 400 rupees. The same thing here. You get raita and gravy also, but the raita is too watery. But very less pieces of paneer though. I was craving for it for a long time. It's very spicy. Okay, and I have some products which I ordered from Meesho. The parcel has come home. Let me show you what has come. I have tops which I ordered from Meesho, which has come home. I'll put the links in the description for these. If you want, you can buy them. If you like them, you can buy them. I got 4 t-shirts in this, and it's 500 rupees for 4 t-shirts. Let me show you. Wow, so beautiful colors. Red, this pink, this is green, and this is yellow. I was such a tomboy in my growing years that I used to just wear t-shirt and pant everywhere to every other place, college, outing, everywhere. So I used to have lot of t-shirts and 2 3 pairs of pant. This is the first shirt. This is t-shirt is so pretty. I loved it. The fabric is also thick and not very sheer. This is the next t-shirt. It says take it easy. I like the t-shirt. Also it's not sheer. 125 rupees for one t-shirt is I mean amazing. Like the color also. The quality is also good. Color is very beautiful, very pretty, but this is a little sheer. Sheer, it's a little transparent, but you can wear a slip and it'll make up for it. But it comes as a combo of 4 t-shirts. So I bought it more like to use it at home. So maybe once I'll wear it outside and then I'll use it at home. And then Indian Jugaad. After some days, it becomes pocha. It becomes cloth to wipe the floor. In that set was this red t-shirt. I like this too. The material is good. Paisa Vasool, I think. It's 500 rupees, 4 t-shirts on Meesho. I'll put the link in the description if you wish to buy. And next up is this top, which I bought for 200 rupees. I have no much hopes on this top. Let's see. I had second thoughts about this top because it has big flowers print and I don't know how this is going to look on me. Okay, this is weird. This is a crop top. I didn't realize when I was buying it. It's shorter than you think. It's just here. Okay. But the print and all is very beautiful. This is elastic here. It is not transparent, I think. The print is very beautiful. If you have a high waist jeans, this will go good. Otherwise, it's a 200 rupees. It's not bad. It's good buy. So yeah, that's all I had for this Sunday vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2026. I upload one long video every week and shorts almost daily. And if you like the video, if you like these clothes, hit that like button and let me know all your thoughts in the comment section. Do you want links for these products? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hype the video and share it with your friends. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.